Okay? Man, what the hell just happened?
First, dumbass. And you. Nice work, brother. Thought that crazy old bitch was gonna screw us.
Was that grenade real?
Sure was.
Shit, man, I thought it was a fake. Who is this dude?
He's the asshole nearly got us caught. You even listening? What the hell was the Punisher doing there, you crazy son of a bitch?
Let's just make the cut and get out of here.
You'll get your cut, just like the rest of us. Right, Billy?
Seems I'm due a little bit more than the rest of you guys.
We split this up even, fair and square. That was the deal.
You should have stayed in your home, Bill. Yes, baby.
Billy, what do you say?
Wait, why are you asking him? This jigsaw face bastard almost got us busted. This whole thing went sideways because you lost your shit.
Screw all this. Let's just split it.
Anybody else got a problem with the way that I do things?